Son Excellence John Dramani Mahama, Président de la République du Ghana.
Okay guys, I welcome you once again to S.K.M. Media 7. I'm a little bit down with malaria, so I'm getting better now. That was yesterday. Gabon was trending. Gabon was trending all over the social media, and what made Gabon trend is, I don't know if Dramani Mahama, the president of Ghana, he is the first person to introduce this thing that has got a lot of other African countries also putting this thing across. The inauguration, John Dramani Mahama invite most of the Africa president to his inauguration, and recently Togo also had their Independence Day, and the president invite other people to the ceremony. But this one, Gabon also had their inauguration, and John Dramani Mahama was invited, and Almighty, the giant of Africa, Ibrahim Traoré. But when John Dramani Mahama got there, oh my God, you see the kind of reaction that he's getting from the people, the audience over there. That shows that Ghana is also on the right path. And unfortunately, the giant of Africa, Ibrahim Traoré, was not able to make it, but he sent his one of his ministers to represent him over there. But the most should I say annoying, or the problem that a lot of people are talking about is the president of Ivory Coast, Ouattara, also sent his representative to represent him at Gabon. When they mentioned his name and he stood up, nobody shouted. They were booing him. I want you to watch the full video and see what I'm talking about. In case you are new here and you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and watch the full video.
Son Excellence John Dramani Mahama, Président de la République du Ghana. Président de l'Assemblée législative de la transition du Burkina Faso, représentant son Excellence le capitaine Ibrahim Traoré, président du Faso.